Video is for those people who are still asking if it's possible to see who viewed their TikTok profile. What's up, guys? My name is Zig, the programming guy. Of course, you can see who viewed your TikTok profile. It's a new update on TikTok, and I'm going to show you how you can use this new update. Now, first of all, you want to make sure that your TikTok app is updated. So if it's not, go to Play Store and make sure that your app is updated. Now, once it's updated, then you have to go to your TikTok profile, just like I am on my TikTok profile right now. So click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then go to settings and privacy. Now, once you're here on settings and privacy, click on privacy, which is the second option there. And then scroll down to the bottom. Then you find this profile views. Now, just go ahead and click on that if you can see it. And once you click on that, go ahead and turn on this feature. So once you turn on this feature, you can be able to see who viewed your TikTok profile. Let me show you where you can actually find it. Now, go back to your TikTok profile. All right, now here on your TikTok profile, look at the top, you find this eye icon. Go ahead and click on that. And now from here, you can be able to see who viewed your TikTok profile right here. Now you find people who viewed your TikTok profile from the past 30 days appearing right here. So I'm having no user right here because I just turned on the feature. So if anybody comes and view my TikTok profile, the person will definitely appear here. So if by any chance or any way you want to turn off the feature, you will notice this settings icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that, and then you can now go ahead and simply turn this off if you don't want it, if you don't want to use the feature anymore. All right, guys, this is how you can see who viewed your TikTok profile. I hope this tip was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and of course subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.